Court finds VDM over Falana's defamation suit. That is something really interesting. And when I check the comment section, a lot of Nigerians, they need some level of civic education. That is something I feel, because most of them, they don't know how the political system works, how the judicial system works in Nigeria, and what it means, to say lawsuit, fines, and all those kind of things. And they need to actually understand it so that they can really understand the functionality of the environment they are. Yes, VDM is going to be paying 200,000 naira, 100,000 each to Falana and Falz. That is what the story is all about. But you got to understand that this is not a case won. The claimant, which is Falana, has actually filed a case, and the defendant is meant to respond with a statement of defense. But something happened. Instead, VDM claims with his lawyer that the court has no power to hear the matter. That is, it's not within the jurisdiction of the court, because the act occurred outside Lagos, according to his counsel. Now the court has ruled that it has the power to hear it, and now ordered him to make his defense. In addition to the court order, he should pay 100,000 each to Falana and Falz, making it 200,000 naira. This is a mistake on the part of VDM's lawyer. That is something I got to understand. But what a lot of people are now saying is that, because they don't understand, they are feeling that Falana has actually won against a person of VDM, and being misled by the one. That is something I got to understand. The one wants to trend with anything, wants to mislead people and all those things without even understanding, or may understand, but because he is desperate for fame, I think that is what is really causing his obsession right now. That is something I feel about that. But a lot of you say that VDM has been warned in this case. You should really understand how case works in Nigeria. Civic education should be brought to schools, and then should be taken to even kindergarten, so that you will understand your rights and some people's rights, or some things, functionalities of the government within your environment as you grow. Because a lot of people, they don't understand. They go talk, say, they don't win, this one. When you carefully look at the case, you get to understand that we don't have a winner yet. VDM's lawyer refused to file for a defense, claiming that the court in Lagos does not have any right to listen to the case, as that event didn't happen in Lagos. They are now feeling that Falana has a great influence in the Lagos judicial system. That is what a lot of people are really talking about. And they are having the feeling that, let us go to a neutral ground, maybe Abuja or anywhere, so that we can have the case heard. But the court has really ruled that they have the right to hear the case, and because of that, VDM needs to pay Falana and Falz 100k each. That's not small money for VDM matter. That is something you got to understand. So when you hear this case next time, it's not that VDM is losing or has lost the case. It's because of some kind of technicalities within the case. We thought that the case has actually ended, but now we see that Falana just want to regain his reputation and all those things. But if I were these guys, I would just squash the case, or take the case away from the court and settle ourselves. Before I jump off, I want to say thank you guys for watching our videos, and thank you for the love so far. If you are new here, you can click the subscribe button below and the bell notification icon to always get notifications each time we upload our videos.